Hello, welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions 2018. Question number 11. In each of the questions 4 to 13, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or words or phrase in italics. The journalist said he was working freelance. So the word is freelance, which is opposite in meaning to freelance. Is it A, tireless, B, without pay, C, satisfactorily, D, dependently? Now, whenever you hear the word freelance, freelance simply means that you are not tied down to a contract. You are not tied down to a contract. So it's either you are tied down to a contract or you are independent, like you are not tied down. It's either you're tied down or you are tied down. So when you're dependent, it means you're dependent on a contract, but when you're freelance, it means you are not tied down. So you can see that these two are direct opposite to one another. But for us to completely understand this, we need to have the full definition of all this. So whenever you hear the word freelance, what does it mean? Someone who sells his services to employers without a long-term contract. So that's the meaning of freelance. You can be a freelance web developer or a freelance writer or something, but you're not engaged in a long-term contract with a company. So you're actually free. So that is freelance. Now, tireless simply means you're not yielding to fatigue. Somebody that doesn't get tired easily, not yielding to fatigue. That's the meaning of tireless. Now, without pay means that you're working and you're not collecting money. You're not paid. You're working for free. Then satisfactorily simply means in a manner. You're working in a manner adequate, in a manner that is adequate to requirements. So you're doing exactly what is needed of you. That is what is satisfactorily. Then, but dependently simply means in a dependent manner, like you're dependent on something, like you have to work to fulfill your contract. So unlike freelance, that means that you're not into any long-term contract. Dependent simply means that you're dependent on a contract. So you can see that freelance is the direct opposite of dependently in this. All these don't have much to do with freelance, because tireless simply means that you're not getting tired, you're not yielding to fatigue. Without pay simply means you're working for free, you're not being paid. Satisfactorily simply means that you're working in a manner that is adequate for the job. But dependently simply means you're dependent on somebody, on a contract. Freelance simply means you're independent of any contract. You just do your work and sell to the employer. And that's why option D is the right answer for this. Thank you.